A quilt designer is planning 2 square sizes for the welcome program. The 2 side lengths add up to 30 patches. The bigger side is 6 patches longer than the smaller side. How many more patches does the bigger quilt use than the smaller one? Pause the video, try to figure it out. Here is a hint. You do not need to find the actual side lengths. The 2 squares trick gives the answer directly. Name the 2 sides. Call the bigger side A, call the smaller side B. We know A plus B is 30, and A minus B is 6. Use the 2 squares trick. A squared minus B squared equals A plus B times A minus B. That is the whole trick. Substitute the clues. A plus B is 30, A minus B is 6, so the answer is 30 times 6. 30 times 6 is 180. The bigger quilt uses 180 more patches than the smaller one. Done. Look how much work the trick saved. Without it, you would solve 2 equations to find A and B. Then you would square each, then subtract. That is at least 4 steps. With the trick, the answer was 30 times 6, 1 step. The answer is 180. This is the first level where the trick really earns its name. The 2 sides are never given. The 2 squares trick uses sum and difference directly. The next level flips this around. Given the patch difference and the side gap, find the actual sides. The trick still does the heavy lifting. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.